Hey guys, welcome back to Faceless YouTube Profits. Today I'm going to share something pretty crazy with you, how I made over $400,000 on YouTube without ever showing my face. Yep, you heard that right. No face reveal, no fancy camera setups, just pure content that people actually want to watch. Now I know what you're probably thinking, Dave, come on, it's impossible. You need to be on camera to make it big on YouTube. Well, I'm here to tell you that's just not true. And I've got the commission payments to prove it. Let me take you back a few years. I was just like many of you, working a day job, dreaming of making it online, but getting nowhere fast. I tried everything, niche sites, drop shipping, you name it. Nothing seemed to stick. But in 2019, I decided to go all in on one strategy, and that strategy was faceless YouTube videos. I picked a niche I knew well, software reviews, and started cranking out tutorial-style videos. No fancy intros, no face on camera, just straight up valuable content. At first, growth was slow. I'm talking painfully slow. My first video got like 50 views, but I kept at it, posting consistently 3 times a week, and you know what? Things started to snowball. Fast forward to today, and that channel, LearnWire, has over 14,000 subscribers and has made me over $400,000. I know that sounds unbelievable, so let me break it all down for you. First, there's ad revenue. I've made about $27,500 just from AdSense or that YouTube partnership program alone. Not bad for a smaller channel, right? But here's where it gets really interesting. Affiliate marketing. Through my software reviews, I've generated over $95,000 in commissions. That's from people clicking on my affiliate links and purchasing the software I review. But wait, there's more. I've also made over $100,000 through other affiliate networks like Warrior Plus or JVZoo, plus another $75,000 coming from selling my own courses. And recently, I started a paid community that's already brought in almost $11,000. Add it all up, and we're talking over $400,000 from a YouTube channel where I never show my face. Crazy, right? Let me dive a bit deeper into how I actually make these videos. I use screen recording software like Camtasia or Descript to capture my screen. Then I narrate over it, explaining step by step how to use the software I'm reviewing. I focus on being clear and concise, no fluff, just valuable information. For example, in one of my most successful videos, I reviewed a popular AI writing tool. I showed exactly how to use it from signing up to creating your first piece of content. I highlighted the pros and cons and gave honest opinions about who it's best suited for. That video alone has generated thousands in affiliate commissions. Another key strategy is updating old content. YouTube isn't just about creating new videos, it's about maintaining and improving your existing library. Every few months, I go back and update my most popular videos with new information. This keeps them relevant and helps them continue to rank well in search results. Not telling you this to brag. I'm sharing it because I want you to know what's possible. You don't need to be a charismatic, on-camera personality to succeed on YouTube. You just need to provide real value. So how did I do it? Here are a few key strategies. The first one, consistency is key. I posted 3 videos a week, every week, for years. No excuses. 2, focus on solving problems. My videos answer specific questions people are searching for. 3, keyword research is crucial. I use tools to find low competition keywords I can rank for. 4, quality over quantity. I may not show my face, but my content is top-notch. Clear audio, good screen recordings, and valuable information. 5, build multiple income streams. AdSense is just the start. Affiliate marketing and creating your own products can 10x your earnings. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It took years of consistent effort to get here. But the beauty of it is, once you build that momentum, it becomes a real business that can change your life. Now, I wanna talk to you about something that's often overlooked, but it's absolutely crucial: mindset. When I first started out, there were plenty of times I wanted to give up. I'd put hours into a video only to see it get maybe 20 views. It can be discouraging. But here's the thing, success on YouTube is a long game. You have to believe in what you're doing and stay committed. even when you're not seeing immediate results. I kept reminding myself that every video was an investment in my future. Even if it didn't blow up right away, it was still out there, potentially helping someone and contributing to my channel's overall growth. This mindset shift was game-changing for me. Instead of obsessing over views and subscribers, I focused on consistently delivering value. And you know what? The results followed. Now I know some of you might be thinking, but Dave, isn't the market saturated? Isn't it too late to start a YouTube channel in 2024? Let me tell you, I hear this all the time, and it couldn't be further from the truth. Yes, there are more creators than ever, but there's also more demand for content than ever before. People are constantly looking for new information, new perspectives, new ways to solve their problems. Plus, think about it this way. New products and services are launching every single day. Each one is an opportunity to help people understand something new. The opportunities are endless if you're willing to put in the work. Another objection I often hear is, but I'm not an expert in anything. Here's the secret. You don't need to be the world's foremost expert to make helpful videos. You just need to know more than your audience about a specific topic. And guess what? As you make videos, you'll naturally become more knowledgeable and confident in your niche. Remember, I started as just a guy who liked trying out different software. I wasn't a tech guru or a marketing expert, but by consistently researching and creating content, I developed expertise over time. You can do the same in whatever niche interests you. If you want to learn more about exactly how I did this and how you can do it too, I've got something special for you. I've created a community called the Six Figure Freedom Club, where I teach all my strategies for faceless YouTube success. Remember guys, you don't need to be on camera to succeed on YouTube. You just need to provide real value and be consistent. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more faceless YouTube tips, and drop a comment letting me know what other topics you'd like me to cover. Until next time, keep grinding, and I'll see you in the next video.